Hi, this is Rajesh Singh. How to build good habits. Number 1. Improve yourself 1% every day. Habits are compound interest of self-improvement. Getting 1% better every day counts for a lot in the long run. Number 2. Habits are a double-edged sword. The good habits can transform your life and the bad habits can ruin your life. Number 3. Be consistent if you want to build any good habits. Daily small good changes seems no difference until we cross a certain level. The most powerful outcomes of any compounding process are delayed. We need to be patient and consistent. Number 4. Don't focus on the result. If you want a better results, then forget about setting goals. Focus on the habits and process. Don't focus on the results. Enjoy the process.